I'm Samara Saxena from grade 5 BIG. So today I am going to make a dessert. We are going to make a jar cake. So let's start off by making the chocolate mousse. In order to make the chocolate mousse, we'll need some ingredients. So the ingredients I'm taking is some whipping cream, brown sugar, chocolate chips, some crumbled biscuits, and I'm also taking some crumbled cake. You can take any cake if you want. I'm taking this Cadbury cake. So let's start. And also I'm taking cocoa powder, some raisins, and vanilla essence. So I'm going to start by putting some whipping cream. I'm going to put all of it. I hope I'm audible because I have a bad throat today. So here we are putting a lot of whipping cream. We're done putting that. After this, I'm going to put a little bit of cocoa powder. So I'm putting half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. There we go. And then some brown sugar. Now we're going to mix it carefully. Don't over mix it, otherwise it can turn watery. So I'm going to fold it very nicely. We're going to mix it till it turns like a light brown color. And in between, we are also going to put a few drops of vanilla essence. I'm putting 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. That's enough. Close it tightly and then we'll mix it again. You can mix it, for one minute or like 1.5 minutes. I'm sure that will be enough. We need all the cocoa powder to stick to the whipping cream. Our chocolate mousse is almost ready. We have to mix it a little more. There we go. Our chocolate mousse is ready. Now we'll take our jar for the jar cake. So first I'm going to layer it by putting some of my crumbled cake, as I told you earlier. We're going to put it like that. We're going to make a whole base of it. And the colors I'm using here are associated with the dessert. So, there we go. That's more than enough. I'm going to press it down a little. We're done with that. Now we're going to put some of the whipping cream. The next layer is of the whipping cream. A little more of the whipping cream and we'll be done. I push it down a little. It already looks tasty to me. There we go. So we're done with that here. After that, I'll put some crumbled biscuits. We're done with that. Now I'm going to put some of this cake on top. I'm going to put all of it. And then it's time for the whipping cream. It's a little sticky, so it will take a little time. There we go. Now it's time for the topping. We'll put some chocolate chips. And then we'll drizzle it with some cocoa powder. We'll also put a little bit of raisins. This is optional. I'm putting 2 big raisins. And now we're done with the jar cake. Here, you have your tasty jar cake ready. And I guarantee you, it's really tasty. Thank you for watching. Bye.